However, NDC for Adwumbonu wo trim dodo.
Adwumbonu when
this say problem na man who say intractable
right.
Na a force I'll be to media stopping no. A course I won't mean for the same approach.
Yeah.
This story from Old House, Joy Online, dated 17th February 2016.
17th February. Those are the papers.
He made an intelligent submission.
Okay.
However, NDC for Adwumbonu wo trim dodo.
Adwumbonu when this
say problem na man who say intractable
right.
Na force I'll be to media stopping no. A course I won't mean for the same approach.
Yeah.
This story from Old House, Joy Online, dated 17th February 2016.
17th February 2016, galamsey worsened in 2010 and water pollution increased. Attributed to why also the quality of Ghana's water bodies have deteriorated remarkably after 2010, following the game-changing introduction of heavy machinery in mining on riverbeds. The Water Resources Commission has observed. Okay.
Enti abra enko for the machines akese ba eye galamsey mu sa gada en sel kakra na ye no. Na ya nda John Mahama ne Orafifi Mills.
Yeah.
Sa force say do get ka security na stop no. Say bi na sa force no way. Enti nye say do get can he say something new. Or can dia esanka NDC abra sa ase no. Esanka omo ye. Now, who be your problem ni free problem is Sasana 2010.
2010.
Anna Mills.
Nobody denies that.
Nobody denies that. Ebio, there's another story. Dated 25th July 2011. Mills, I want him.
25th July
2011.
2011. Or say flats. Nose angered by harmful effects of galamsey. The former President Mills and I can want.
Let's say Abra galamsey.
25th July 2011.
2011.
Right.
Okay, I say maybe call River Pram with Al Jazeera.
Right.
Now, say NDC for incubated this galamsey problem.
NDC
incubated
this galamsey problem.
Because Abraham didn't cost no. No more kwenye some omesi anon tentem. They said don't get here. They could have used force to stop it. But then they see they didn't. Ebio minia. Yes, I'm call to another story. Say Oka galamsey who say I want to just create a picture. Na Ghana for be who sampa. NDC ni bia ba be kan asem bia ba galamsey a. And you said this for a cento. And ahead of 2024, they created the impression say, a year galamsey and send some national share with Danado. Patriot back having some here.
2015, 28 September, Bishop 4. Now say 35 illegal miners feared dead in galamsey pits collapsed. Okay.
But Patriot, this time crowd official complicity. Can the Minerals Commission kind?
We see 2016 February, you know. All the reports are kind of pay preceding 2017 about NPP where galamsey plunges Ghana into water crisis.
Debut.
Now we February 2016, February 19, 2016. The way Minerals Commission has accused MMDA's regional security councils and district security councils for failing to clamp down on the activities of illegal miners, aka galamsey operators, thus leading to the destruction of water bodies in the country. Okay.
NDC for we are almost galamsey hakoko. Mr. Ansha Sene kind.
What's galamsey here?
Hakoko.
Galamsey threatens cocoa sector. We see it threatens cocoa sector. 9th September 2016. Okay. From the same the Deputy Minister for Water
Samsinahi
was the Minister
community. We no blaming another na cocoa production swati.
Right.
Abra no Deputy Minister Ojitu mu say galamsey and Ura Mahama any NDC or make manya hojman and an hakuku.
Right.
Ebio, this is what the minister said. Mama Yaraga then.
Mama Yaraga is saying the minister gives up on fighting illegal mining, wanting new approach. Okay. We are 15 September 2016. Mahama Yaraga and not in front of
And now, what is this research report by the Business Human Rights and Resource Center? On headline here, then
so where 60% of water bodies polluted due to illegal mining and other activities, says authorities. Okay, we are Business and Human Rights Resource Center. Now dating 27 May 2017. We
na ye ba ben wasaba na mo man na do pressure
exactly.
na do titu mu say
right.
but Mama AY3ka giving up no there's a part of the story my person me kind of say I called the Minerals Commission, I called the EPA, I called the stakeholders, and I said, look, it looks as if we cannot stop them from mining, so why don't we help them to mine properly,
okay,
so that we avoid the pollution. Minister na say to kwara na omoko den no muntimi it's on na do ba ben mu na demands of the good and ado so ni nyina no. Now the question is, what was the end game? Last one, so who the extent of deterioration and the Mahama is here. There's a research report. I award the International Journal of Applied Earth Observation and Geoinformation, volume 58, June 2017.
Okay.
Pages 224 to 233. Mapping the expansion of Galamsey gold mine in cocoa growing areas of Ghana using optical remote sensing. Me pacho, kind of first one, the massacre on the highlights. No?
I say area of Galamsey has more than tripled from 2011 to 2015, from 10,907 to 36,696. Okay. The next year say, "Bibi na ye Galamsey no, a triple areas na ye Galamsey no, a double triple." From 2011 to 2015. Okay.
Under Ora Mahama as the president, not such a record. And by 2011, na me was so a toss be rule Ora Mahama a pension. The pattern is say na you two Galamsey no, was just 1 acre swa. And the NDC by 2015 no, about the sanke say no get check say so the force stopping to kwano. Na NDC for incubated idea. It's not a yini sa kwa could do 3.6 acres. Yeah. So now we are 1 acre swa. That's a 3.6 and it's a could do. Now we now ba. Now by be ba. That's a media for the Ghana for names and pa. Send a minister and cast my jemu. Like they've given up no and to quite quiet, you know. You now can one boom say and fight Galamsey. You now become a better to say around 2019 and have some successes. 2020 and the politics a baby. We saw a year those who concern small scale miners. What contested NDC Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer twice.
Okay.
Yes. A contested NDC parliamentary candidate to Ishai Sonsoda. Any Kwaku Bwahi, any Mr. Obin.
Yeah, Tony Obin.
They were in the pits telling people, say, Omotuma Nanado, dear, Wabu Guma Jumano. Yahoo videos nibi. We saw John Mahama, the former president, and our pencil Galamsey Tiatisino, also politicizing it. Say Mabruna, Omoya Galamsey Achiomo, no Oba, obey yomo. No go after the Kimpings. But me so, Oba by 9 months, the Kimpings don't say no go after them. What's in how? What allegations are or Yoko no? Galamsey didn't go Yoko. Where Galamsey do go Yoko?
Galamsey come.
Me say, I don't come one. But won't you inquire their Kimping? Won't you inquire their Kimping? Yantin Sama Joseph Aminaka. Yantin Sama a year Mustafa Bande Aka. Yantin your whole reports I for no account and who some say I will win MP. Why Galamsey?
That's true.
I'm not making things.
And you know any other from Mitchell will be a medical will be out there. Galamsey sends them and person medimano etum kakra. A terabia membremu a man for politicians. What I yet me for and I say me bremu ye. Me no me no. Yeah, direct yenya Galamsey so fast war and yen say me bremu ye. It didn't because Galamsey is Susan Swa a day break Ghana mine and a day potential de be break Ghana mine. It nims we NPP ni and a nims we NDC ni. Mebusa say ya ko Emma Galamsey if sucha na yen so ye clean na ye Dubai ye bedria na ye normal enya papa one nya so mfa so mebusa menu mi enya so mfa so aban ben na ye bebo na baso say aban we na watima fight ama Galamsey eko eya aban a wotisue nanso aban na wono obeje abasobode no say onye ready so obeje abasobode enti oya NDC ni a waka kire wo say so obi ka Galamsey asema aka kire npa say wo MPP ni na utim ayen and aden MPP ni ka Galamsey asem aden NDC for so ka Galamsey asem hwe woni momo mo sha Galamsey ase minim se woni nada but mummy and tea free or my penny John Dramani, Mama, Omusha galamsey as
prison for galamsey are not the actual perpetrators of galamsey. The big kingpins are not in prison. Those who are in prison are the small boys that they employ to work on their galamsey concessions. And so they are victims of circumstances. And so if we're coming with a new fight against galamsey, let's start by giving them let's bring them out, reform them, and do the things that will make them not go and do what they've done again. If it's somebody must be in prison, it's those district chief executives and ministers and others who are doing the galamsey, not the people they are employing.
Utiene kasa, enya wo, enya me, enya omo efuomo no, enya omo amremu, esikafo, ministers, MPs, CEOs, DCEs, ana share galamsey ase, ono ana nkrofo, ana share ase. Enu nti ana wanye na adwene se obeyi galamsey afiri wona waje abasobode because abasobode na ebe wansam NDC abama ama aban ana ama galamsey afiri wono emma ne sika emma DCE sika emma ministers sika na so se Ghana ye ho bekwa ahochie hiem ahochirem ama nipa agu na ama DCE sika sa na aban ne pe ene amafo bebre emia wo ma no all galamsey ho enye bibia wo me say for all you know ubekom na omanya concession ewa bem ewa anya position concession ewa galamsey ho media personality me can about that term Joy FM TV3 Metro TV even GTV na omu ye program omu de ankobia river river oma bunsuo amobia hu se de ensuo no etie ene ye mfasa ade na mabiem me say ubekom no mu nyina nya concession enti no mabi omamia omano o ha ne yetwa ya kwache ntofo mu ye galamsey omu ye galamsey na sankofo ne yachi omu echa ne agya omu echina chi ne asa akwache omu ne agya omu enipa ba ko ya che ne be 10 what is your jelly galamsey ni bida eni particular si yachi omu no hwan ana ya che no chama untumi ne ya che no ye prepare ne na kokot ono nkwa na Ghana galamsey ye ne dia ya che no so hwe galamsey me say mo hwe the same river ene the aye eni Simon last year and this year oma ene omunya nsuo num o yare ade bro mu ana ese ya bro mu dare a mumia nhwe na gusu no ene aduane a yedie yese kontomire ene enoma bayira cassava banche chemicals ewom ye ane yenya so ahochire dodo mbe so be kona sa akro yo munya nso nu omunya dare NDC fo mu MPP fo mu o sa be di amanfo atem say ai ana ada na MPP antima fight galamsey ana de ene Ralph o say otumfo ana yesa solve galamsey ni aya ne politics ni aya ne tribal because ubo otumfo di a ye wo tribal breta otumfo ye ka otumfo a MPP ye ka santefo a MPP entifo otumfo di bebe tale galamsey hu fa santifo di bet tale galamsey hu na he wo yo bi kura na galamsey ma wana se wunya nsuo nu okrom na ya wo ya se ani asante ni stop galamsey no we ni agi asip se Ghana police asante ne ka se galamsey for me try galamsey wo Ghana mu a Ghana police asante ne be makoma se soldiers for court side me busa se anka Ghana memwe Ghana o man Ghana anka soldier aban military aban ana be take over anka 1 week pe ka galamsey be jai o makuman say galamsey njai why be hu say o galamsey site bi an o ye enemy o ye o man no o manbofo ye nko a anka amanfo bebree agigya galamsey but ene onim so obekọ ye beche no echina osa abekọ ye beche no ye begya ye be ma ne be enti suro bia enenimu na ye twa ye ho ko ene Ghana water companies for say oma propose 280% increment because of galamsey Sara Ghana water company for say yen kan kire mu asechire say bosome se wutua 100 cedis for water from next year going ubetua 380 cedis for month one galamsey hu onya sunsun so eme anawo yenyine betima e baako NPP NDC ni yetima fight aban bi owoso bia ama galamsey agyan si eyi politics free ni eyi ahini free ni yakasa aban wona betima ma command state of emergency we be hu galamsey sa bia yenku a galamsey su betwa na so aban so wonye da because said them Mohana kan ye ministers MPs DCs ana ye galamsey midamase